Huh?
Oh, they don't have anything I like here, so take care, Celia.
Oh, that's gotta hurt! Celia, please try to understand. I have to do something!
Michael? Oh, good.
On 3, 1, 2.